I'm putting my life in Tina's hands here. We're in the Panda. We're all repaired, ready to go back for its CT retest. It did fail on a few items, but anyway, we're going to road test it round the field. This should be a laugh. I'm holding on for dear life.
I'm being very, very gentle.
Gentle? Fucking hell. Watch the trees. Jesus.
Ooh, which way should we go here?
Oh my God. Look, we're in four-wheel drive. Hey! Oh my God. Oh! I'll go a bit slower next time. Fucking that's the front of the car. Jesus Christ. There's a bit of a dip here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, the old back axle's a bit noisy.
Don't say that. We don't want anything else to cause a problem
No,
now,
it won't
do
cause
we?
a problem. Probably go on for years like that. Just stop a minute and put it back in two-wheel drive. Now set off again.
You want to see if there's a difference?
Yeah.
Doesn't grip the ground quite
Well,
so
that
well.
won't do, will it? But I just want to see if it makes that noise. Yeah, it's still there a little bit.
Not as bad though, is it?
No, it's not got power going to it now, it's just trailing. Oh, Jesus. Fucking hell. Oh, fucking, what was that?
Do you want to go again?
Not really, no. Oh, look, there's Peppy.
Peppy!
Oh, fucking hell. This is torture. Still in two-wheel drive.
Yeah, you want me to?
Yeah, well, you can put it back in now if you wanted.
Peppy!
Four-wheel drive selected. Super low first gear. Look at that. Yeah, it's a lot noisier when there's power going to it. Peppy! Peppy! Gear's that? Third?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. That'll probably do now. Oh, Jesus. I'm going to bail out.
Yeah, good luck.
Jesus Christ. Watch this hole there, don't forget.
Yeah, I was going to go up there, but it's a bit tight. You didn't do a very good job of cutting that, did you?
Well, it's only for pedestrians.
Pandas.
Oh, brambles. Crying out loud.
It's fun.
It's not fun.
It is. It is.
I think I'm going to be suffering with whiplash now. That is bad. It is no Range Rover. Don't. I'm getting out. I'm bailing out. Jesus Christ.
It's still good fun.
There's bad back central, this car.
Probably good for your back.
It's not good for your back, is it?
Probably is.
It's not good for you.
Bouncing
No,
around,
no. Anyway,
It could be like Mr. Soft and supple.
hopefully it passes its control technique the second time. Yeah, bye for now.